So if you want to add new classes and students or move students around, I'm going to show you how to do it here. So to add a new class, you first need to go to Manage Classes and add the class. You need to set the exam board, so that could be KeyScience 3 or Edexcel separate or combined, or AQA separate or combined. You then select the year, so year 9, 10 or 11, and then you add the class name. So you type that in and you add the new class name, so 11x1, 11AY3, whatever it is your class codes are. And to add students in bulk, you go to Import Students. You then press the Download Sample button, so the Excel spreadsheet that you need to upload students with will download. You then enter the first name, surname of the student, then the year, so that will be year 10 or year 11, and then it will be the class name, which has to match the class code that you've just set up. It all has to match or the kids won't be accepted onto the system. Once you've filled in the spreadsheet, you will then import the spreadsheet and then click Import. This will then upload all your students to the correct classes. But remember, this must only be done after you have created the classes first. All the data that you put onto the spreadsheet must match the classes data that you have set the classes up as. If you've got a new student to add, you can go to Manage Students and then press Add Student. This will add one student. So you enter their first name, their surname, their school year, their class code, then their email address is optional. To add a teacher, you go to Manage Teachers. You then click Add Teacher. You add their first name, their surname, their email address, which they will then need to verify. The email verification gets sent to them. You set them as a HOD, not a teacher, so always add them as a HOD, and then choose their exam board. So it will be AQA separate or Edexcel separate. Do not select combined or KeyScience 3 at this point. And that is how you add the teacher.